Hi, I'm Toni Gattone. If you love to garden, I'd love to have you join me and 3 other garden authors at our first virtual garden book party. Each of us are going to discuss ideas from our books, helping you decide which of our books should be on the shelf in your library. Because it's virtual, you can join from anywhere. And guess what? It's free. Christy Wilhelmi, the founder of Garden Nerd, is going to talk to us about growing fruit in small spaces. Sean and Allison McManus of the Spoken Garden has written a book for new gardeners as to how they can bring in perennials and flowers into their garden. Third, Raffaele Di Lallo is considered the houseplant whisperer, and he's going to reveal problem-solving secrets for all of you houseplant aficionados out there. And me? Well, I'm going to share ideas from my book, The Lifelong Gardener. It's designed for gardeners of all ages, all abilities, and yes, all microclimates. The program will be moderated by Kathy Jentz, who is the host of Garden DC podcast, and it's sponsored by the National Garden Bureau as well as Garden Communicators International, 2 organizations that are near and dear to the hearts of gardeners nationwide. So join us, March 24th, 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be fun. And did I mention it's free? See you there. Ciao for now.